Welcome to the world of limitless learning possibilities with the Education WordPress theme, the ultimate solution for building professional, user-friendly educational websites that inspire learners and educators alike. With its extensive array of features and intuitive design, Education empowers educational institutions, teachers, tutors, and online course creators to create websites that stand out in the digital education landscape. Online course management. Dive into the world of online learning with Education's comprehensive course management system. Create, manage, and sell online courses with ease, including course descriptions, pricing options, enrollment forms, and student progress tracking. LMS integration. Seamlessly integrate with leading learning management systems LMS like LearnDash, LiftRooms, and Sensei to enhance the functionality and performance of your educational website. Whether you're offering self-paced courses, live webinars, or interactive quizzes, Education provides the tools you need to deliver an exceptional learning experience. Responsive design. Ensure your educational website looks great and functions seamlessly on all devices, from desktops and laptops to tablets and smartphones, with Education's responsive design. Whether your students are accessing course materials from home or on the go, the theme provides an optimal viewing experience for every learner, regardless of their device. Customization options. Personalize your educational website to reflect your institution's brand identity and academic offerings with Education's extensive customization options. From customizing colors and fonts to adjusting layouts and styling elements, the theme gives you the flexibility to create a website that is uniquely yours and perfectly aligned with your educational goals. Student management. Streamline your student management tasks with Education's built-in student management tools. From enrolling new students and tracking attendance to managing grades and communicating with parents, the theme's student management features make it easy to stay organized and efficient, allowing you to focus on delivering quality education. Events and announcements. Keep students, parents, and stakeholders informed and engaged with Education's events and announcements feature. Whether you're hosting school events, parent-teacher conferences, or academic competitions, the theme provides a centralized platform for sharing important updates and information with your educational community. Whether you're a school administrator looking to enhance your online presence, a teacher seeking to create engaging course materials, or an online course creator aiming to reach a wider audience, Education WordPress theme is your go-to solution for creating websites that inspire learning and drive academic success. And if you ever need assistance, our dedicated customer support team is here to help you every step of the way. With prompt responses and comprehensive documentation, we're committed to ensuring your experience with Education WordPress theme is smooth, seamless, and ultimately successful. Ready to take your educational website to the next level? Experience the versatility, flexibility, and effectiveness of the Education WordPress theme today. Visit the page and discover how Education can help you create a website that inspires learning and drives academic success for students of all ages.